In this video, we're going to be given the graph of a rational function, and we're going to find the domain, range, asymptotes, and intercepts from it from section 3.5. So let's look at this graph right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here so that we can better see that this asymptote here is x not equal to -1. So that gives us a domain of -infinity to -1, union -1 to infinity. The range, we're going to have to zoom back in and look at where that horizontal asymptote is that y is not equal to -3, and it never crosses that asymptote. So this is -infinity to -3, union -3 to infinity. Intercepts, it looks like it goes through 0, 0 right there. It's going to be both the x-intercept and the y-intercept. The horizontal asymptote we already found is y equals -3. There's only one of them. One horizontal asymptote, y equals -3. And vertical asymptote, there's only one of them at x equals -1. And there's no oblique asymptotes. Those would be slant asymptotes or asymptotes that are other y equals asymptotes that are equations of functions that may have slant or curvature to them. They're not lines with a slope of 0. All right, let me zoom out just a little bit more here. Back. All right, so we see this oblique asymptote here. That's this slanted line as an asymptote. So let's zoom in here, see what's going on. I have the asymptote, the vertical asymptote x equal to 0 there. There's the 0.2 -6 that's on this asymptote, and it goes through 0, 0 as well. So 0, 0, and 2, -6 means that I have a slope of going down 6. Right 2 is a slope of -3. Use that with my point that's given to me of 0, 0. Y minus 0 equals -3 times x minus 0. So y equals -3x for this asymptote. I'll need that later. They tell me my intercepts there, which is wonderful. All right. And the domain of the function is -infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity, since x can't be equal to 0. The range of the function is going to be all real numbers because it's going to go down forever and up forever. Intercepts are -3, 0, and 3, 0. It's not going to have any y-intercepts since x can't be equal to 0. No horizontal asymptote. Vertical asymptote at x equals 0, and oblique asymptote at y equals -3x. Right? Let's look at this graph here. And it looks like it has two vertical asymptotes this time that are at x equals -2 and x equals 2. And it looks like we have a horizontal asymptote here at y equals 2. And looks like it goes through 0, 0, even though that's not stated explicitly. So the domain is going to be -infinity to -2, union -2 to 2, union 2 to infinity. The range, there's no values between 0 and 2 there. So it's -infinity to 0, union 2 to infinity. And 0 is included. And 2 is not included. Yep. Okay. And intercepts are 0, 0. And then we have one horizontal asymptote at y equals 2, two vertical asymptotes at x equals -2 and x equals 2. And there's no oblique asymptotes here. All right, that's going to be it for this video. And we're going to come back next time and we're going to be talking about section 3.6. See you for the next video.